Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. So today I'll be talking about some of the Desmos crazy tips for a digital SAT math exam. So let's start it. So this video will be two-part video, okay? In first part, I'll be talking about very simple and basic Desmos ideas, questions, tricks, okay? In the second part, it will be much harder concepts I will be targeting. So let's get started with number one. Simple one is here. Plot a point on a Desmos graph 2, 5, okay? So simply to plot a point, just tap here on the blank and then go to here and type, give small bracket 2 comma 5 as it is. So you can see a green dot on the graph, so that is the point 2 comma 5. You can also label it, okay? So it's a very easy. So let's go to number 2. Find the distance between 1 comma 5 and 1 minus 1. So you can find the distance by using distance formula, but by using Desmos you can simply find the distance. Just tap here, go to function on the right bottom there, you can see here, and then scroll down, you see the geometry and there is distance, right? Distance function, just press it and you see distance. Now type your points, give small bracket 1 comma 5, give a comma and then give 1 comma minus 1. Simply you will get a distance is 6, right? So you get a distance. Okay, let's go to number next 3. Find the midpoint between 1 comma 6 and 2 comma minus 1. So let's find the midpoint. So for midpoint you can again go to the function and go to the midpoint, or you can also type, okay, on your keyboard, go to midpoint and then type the points 1 comma 6, close the bracket, give a comma and type 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so you get the midpoint. Just tap on the graph, you can see 1.5 comma 2.5 are the midpoints. Okay, you can also label it on the graph simply. Okay, let's go to next question. Number 4. Change the linear equation y equals to 6x plus 7 into the table and line. Okay, so simply we are going to convert this into the table. How to do? Okay, let's do it. So simply tap on the blank, type the equation as it is. So y equals what is that? 6x plus 7, right? This is a line. Now to convert it into the table, into the points that lies on this line, just press this setting button here. Okay, this is the setting button, you can see, press it and there is a table icon, right? You can see here on the right side of that here. Okay, sorry. So press the setting and press on this table button, press it. Okay, you can see the table. Okay, so for the given value of x, you can see the given for the given value of x you can find the value of y. Okay, so you see the table, and if you go down here you can just plot any value of x, it will give the value of y. Okay, from the table you can plot any value. So by using the line you can what, convert it into the points or table, and you can give the value of what, x, and you can find any value of y. Okay, so this is done. So let's go to number 5. Convert the table into a line. Okay, so we have given the points, at least 2 coordinates are required to draw the line. Okay, so we have given the table. Now we have to change into the equation like this, y equals to mx plus c. For that what we can do, let's see. So first go here on the left what here. Okay, you can see, so press here on the left top corner and there is the table, right? So press it the table and give the value of x and y. Okay, here is 2, right? And here is 6, right? Okay, and again here is 3 and here is 10. Okay, you see. Now then go to the number 3 line and press tab here, and now we need to find that line. So for that you have to type the variable is, here is y1, right? You can see y1 on top and x1. Okay, we are using those. So type y1, okay, equals to, not equals, but we have to do press on the ABC button here. Okay, then input this tilde button, then you can write again, type m, then go ahead and type x1, because we use our variable x1 y1 on the table. So y equals mx plus we need c. Okay, our line is ready. You can see here on the bottom parameters, right? Here m is 4, c is -2. M is your slope of that line and c is what, y intercept of that line. So your line is right, y equals to 4x minus 2, y equals to mx plus c. Okay, your line is what? Y equals to mx, right? 4x minus 2. Okay, these two will overlap. Okay, these are the same lines. Okay, so let's go to number 6. Let's close this out. Okay, f of x equals x plus 6, x plus 5, x minus 4. The function f is given. What table of the value represent y equals to fx minus 3? So we have given fx and another function is defined, which is fx minus 3, right? So this function will match which table it is asking us. So let's find out. Okay, so for that, just input the function, just tap on the empty bar. So input your function as it is. So plug f of x equals, okay, what is that? X plus 6, right? Here is x plus 6, and then x plus 5, then x minus 4, you can see here. So this is our function, but this is our main function, but we don't need that, right? We need this one. So we have to press again, just give y equals to what we need, f of x, right? F of x minus 3. Okay, this is our required function. To make a table, again go to that setting button here and tap it and just press on the table. So you can see the table here, but what are the values on the left side? What are the values of x? See here. So if you see here, the value of x are minus 6, minus 5 and 4. So we have to find that. Just plug here minus 6, plug here minus 5, and plug here minus 4. You see, not minus 4, that's 4 only. Sorry, that's 4. So what are the value of y? Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So you can see here, this is satisfied, right? So minus 6 gives minus 3, minus 5 gives minus 3, 4 gives minus 3. So our our this second option is very correct. Okay, so let's go to next number 7. Okay, let's tap here, and okay, we have to find the value of positive value of x minus 1, right? So here we have the absolute value equation, we have to solve it. So just tap here on the left bottom, modulus of a sign, just press it, and then type 4x minus 4 equals to 112. Okay, so I think it could have two solutions, because this is the absolute value. So you can see on here there are two values, you can see two black lines, right? So there is one solution is 29. Okay, one value is 29, I've written here also on the left side, right? What is 29? Another is what? Go on the left side, you can see here another value is minus 27. Okay, but the question is asking positive value. So positive value of x minus 1, if we take negative, we will not get the positive value, right? So we have to ignore this solution is ignored, right? 20 minus 27 is ignored. So we have to move toward the right side. So we have to find the positive value. So what was our value here? That was 29. So we have to find 29 minus 1, right? So that is 28 is our answer. Okay. So let's move to number 8. So we have given square root equation. So we have to solve the value of x. Simply type here root over x tap plus root over 9, again tap here, equals root over 64, right? Root over 64. So we can see here there is the only one solution. Okay, no problem. So what is our value here? So what is the value of x? Okay, simply the value of x is 25. We can see from the graph. So 25 is your answer. Okay, so let's move to next question, number 9. Okay, again let's type it, root over x minus 2 whole square tap equals to square root 3x plus 34, right? Yeah, okay, let's see. Okay, we get two solutions. What is the question is asking? What is the smallest solution to the given question? So smallest means small value, that means negative value, right? We have to ignore the positive, we don't care, because we need the smallest solution. So the smallest solution is here is minus 3, you can see from the graph. Okay, let's go to number 10. For the line h, the table above shows three values of x and its corresponding value of y. line k is the result of translating line h down 5 units in the xy plane. What is the x-intercept of the line k? So we have given the line what? We have given a line h, but we have to find the x-intercept of line k, which is obtained by translating the line h down 5 units. That means y value of this line h is what? Decreased by 5. That means if I have to write here, I can do like this. I have written here, okay, this is what? This is the point for line k. Why? Because I have translated it down by 5 unit already. So you can see 130, I have to write it 125. Okay, this is 160, this is 155, because I have translated the line by 5 unit down. That means I have to reduce what, or subtract y by 5 units. Okay, let me show it in the graph. What we can do, first of all, just go ahead to add plus and go to table again. So plug the value of 18. So instead of writing 130, we have to put what, 125, because we have to already subtract 5. So there is 23 and there is 155. Okay, 2 points are enough. Then we have to find the line, right? To find the line, what we can do, just go here and you can simply type, again I have already told you, press y1 and tilde sign mx1 plus c. Okay, so you will get the value of 6 and 17. That is your equation of line. Okay, y, so what is your m is 6, c is 17. So let me use that. So what we get, simply y equals 6x plus 17. Okay, so this is our line. So what we have to do is that we have to check these conditions. Okay, so to do that, what we can do, you can just plug the value of x and check whether it satisfies or not. For that, you can also go to setting, you can make a table and plug the value of x. Okay, like this, go here and type 0. Okay, not 0, you can type any of the options like minus on the left side, right, x value. Okay, 26 over 3, that will produce 0. So our here is minus 35 is not our answer. Again, go here and type minus 9 over 2, it's minus 10, not 0. Okay, not right. So minus 11 over 3, so it's minus, it's not. So you can directly say number D is correct without even solving. Okay, because there is only one correct answer. So 17 over 6 I'll produce 0. So your answer is D. Okay, you can check out like that. It's a bit complicated, you have to learn it. Okay, so let's go to number 11. So for the given okay, we have given two equation. For the solution xy to the system of equation above, what is the value of x minus y? So just plug it as it is. 7x plus 3y equals 8, and we have 6x minus 3y equals 5. Okay, what is the solution? You can check here. So that intersection is the solution 1 comma 0 0.33, but the question is asking what the value of x minus y. So go here and plug it. What was that? Okay, what is the value of x minus y? X is 1 and y is 0 0.333, right? So 1 x minus y, right? 1 minus 0 0.333, but you can see here answer are in the fraction, and we can see here answer are in decimal. So press on that. Here is the on the left side, you can see, you can tap here to change it into fraction. Since this fraction is not converging and we are not getting the answer from, so just tap here and keep on putting 3. Okay, 0 0.33 until you will get the fraction. Go on, go on. Okay, you will get 2 by 3. So that is your answer. Okay, that is 2 by 3 is the correct answer. So let's go to next number 12. So let's see the question. Y equals to 6x plus 18. One of the equation in a system of two linear equation is given. Okay, this is one system, another is given here somewhere between these four options. The system has no solution. Which equation could be the second equation in the system? So for the system to have no solution, two lines will be parallel. Okay, just plot first one given on the question, this one. So y equals to 6x plus 18 is here. This is our line. And then to check, just plug one by one. Minus 6x plus y equals to 18, right? So this is a line. If you see here, these are the overlapping lines, so they have infinitely many solution, right? These are just overlapping line, so this is not our answer. Now to plug another, don't delete this, okay? Second line, just edit it. Just go ahead and type 22 like this. Okay, you can see here these two lines are parallel. It means they will have no solution, right? They will never meet, right? So our answer B is the correct. So let's go to number 13. Just type the inequality. Y is less or equals to 3x plus 1, and just type this one. X minus y will be greater than 1. Okay, we have the reason. Okay, simply you can again simply by watching the graph you can simply know the answer, but let me plot right now and make it more clear. Okay, you can just, you don't need to plot, you can just by watching also you can find the answer, but for now I will be plotting. So go here and type minus 2 comma minus 1. If this lies in the common region, no, this is outside, right? Then go to minus 1 comma 3, and it's again it's outside, right? Here again go to 1 comma 5. If you see here, okay, this is also outside. Okay, it's not lying on the overlap region or feasible region, so you can see here. Okay, now last is your answer. Obviously it will lie inside the region, so that is your solution. 2 comma minus 1. If you see here, it lies there, it lies on the intersection of those inequalities region. So you can see here it lies on the black as well as red region, so that is your answer is the D. You can check. Okay, now let's close it. So let's go to number 14. The number A is 110% greater than number B. Number B is 90% less than 47. What is the value of A? Okay, it is very easy. You can do it normal calculator, but I'm going to show you with the Desmos also. Okay, so go here and go to ABC, then type A is equals to, sorry I didn't type. Okay, A equals to what? A is 110% greater than B. That means B plus 110. Okay, to type the percent, type on a tap on ABC, then press shift, and you can see here percent button, percent of. Okay, then type shift and press B. So A equals to B plus 110% of B. Then what is B? B is 90% less than 47. Then B is equals to 47 minus how many? 90. Press shift, then press percentage, again shift of 47, right? 47. So you will get the value of A and B as shown in those. Okay,